We're doing it on Omega. Episode 391, Part 1. DRYTRON versus Phantom Knight Burning Abyss, aka PK Fire. Game 1. Okay. Linked off for those. Those for Cherubini, Graph, Libic. Rusty, and then what the fuck was that? Cherubini, Rusty, Fogblade, Cloak, Banish, add Boots. Oh, I rolled them there. Summoned Xyz. Effect. Special. Effect. Special. Effect. Increase. Goes to defense. Activate. Link. Effect. Send 1, 2, 3 for level 3, which is Torn Scales. I think it was only a 2. Yeah, 2 for Apple. What the heck just happened there? No idea what happened there. Fogblade, Banish, Special Cloak. Xyz. Glove, dump wings, I think. Nova, Zeta. My Karibo, Zeta, Tribute. Draconage, Apple, Negate, Alpha, Tribute, Gamma, Apple, Negate. I should have did this one first, but I was gonna try to go for a Dragoon right here, but I still had Gamma and Utopic Draco Future, attach, negate. Go into Verte, and then what was that? Wings? Yeah, Wings, Special Break Sword, and then Rusty is gonna activate if a Dark Xyz monster special summon to a zone. Discard points to all the cards on field, except for damage step. You can target one card on the field and destroy it. Boom, pop them. And then Thorn Scales. And I tried. I tried. Let's see what he could do. Yen, Italy, what? Was for another break sword. Oh my god. I could have won this one. I won game 2 for sure. I could have won game 3 if I kinda knew how to play against Phantom Knights. Burning Abyss, PK Fire. Right here I just full combo. He did not stop me. He surrendered right away. Emergency. For Zeta, I already had the Alpha. Alpha, Zeta, regular old school combo. Old school DRYTRON. Zeta Benton. Get the ritual. Benton, Diviner. Normal summon Diviner. 10 Dark Light effect. Add ultimateness. Exceed summon for Beta Fafnir. Sending Gamma. Meteor Stratron. Ultimateness detached from Fafnir. Meteor Stratron, decrease attack by 1000, add back from hand, activate. Detach from Mobeta Fafnir, Benten. Gamma, tribute Benten. This was kind of a weird play here. I was supposed to go into a, what is that? Beatrice, but I tributed off for, since I had two, Meteor Stratrons. Give me another fairy, which is Natasha. Meteor Stratron. There we go. Okay. What? Oh, I had the Eva in the hand, so I sent Delta. Okay. Delta, tribute Alpha, activate effect, reveal a ritual spell or monster, draw a card. Okay, and Verte effect, pay 2000, copy red execution. Send Dark Magician in red as Dragoon. Oh, Verte is gonna make this guy dark. Dragoon's gonna negate, sending the Eva. Eva, banish those two, and add those two. So far, 4 negates right here. 1, 2, 3 with ultimateness, and then 1 discard for. And then just scooped it. Let's do it. Game 3. I should have saved my negates. I just shotgunned the negates. If I would have saved them for the summons, I probably would have won. Come on. Load up. Yeah. Lucky went off, I dark rulered. Should have saved the negates. Double E tally on Drawface. Nyan Nyan and Wielder. Standby main. Summon Torn Scales. And then 2 level 3 monsters for Cherubini. Cherubini's effect. What is this guy's effect? What the heck is this guy? You can summon level 3. Oh, monster. There's a graph. Graphs here. Yeah. Okay. See her do again. Okay. Cherubini. Sent Cloak to set. Okay. Shade. Okay. Summon 2 warriors. Sold. I forgot that he had the immortal Phoenix Gearfried. And we need to send 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, level 3. Okay. Apple. 2 for Apple. Okay. Banish to add. Torn Scales, okay. Nyan Nyan. Boots, Levier effect, attach, special, cloak. What? What the fuck cloak do? Okay. Boots. Fog Blade. Scales, Fog Blade, and Wings. Oh, gotta resume it. Break Sword. And that's it. Started off with Cyber Emergency. I thought it was gonna ash me, no. And I think I got Zeta there. Yeah, I think I got Zeta. And then Dark Ruler. Nova. Alpha. Length for Link Haribo. Alpha. Zeta. Effect. Add Ben 10. Zeta. Tribute Ben 10. Add Ritual Spell. Ben 10. Add Diviner. Overlay. Fafnir, dump Delta. Diviner. Send Arclight. Add Ultimatus. Medio's DRYTRON. Detach. Ritual Summon. Delta. Tribute. Special. Activate effect. Reveal a ritual spell or monster. Draw a card. Medio's DRYTRON. Decrease attack by 1000. Add back. Activate again. If I would have went... Oh no, I didn't have space. God damn it. Okay. Eva. Beatrice, Eva. Eva, banish. Add more fairies. Tribute special. Link. Effect. Pay 2000, Red Ice Fusion, Dragoon, Pop, what? Break Sword. I negated that one. See, if I would have just waited for the, like I had him here. I had him, like look at this, 1, 2, 3, we had 3 cards. 4 cards. I had him. Never mind, he kaiju'd me. I forgot about that. Should have just waited. Like I already popped him. Okay. See, I kept using them. I should have used it on the summons because he summons a big monster. There we go. I wasted all my negates. I forgot he had that guy, Immortal Phoenix Gearfried. Now I have no negates, and he's gonna. Wow. What the Raiders Knight. Touch. There's 1 Phantom Knight or NEXUS Dragon monster that's 1 rank higher than this card. Okay, I guess who's that? It's Arc Rebellion Dragon. God dang it. This guy right here. This card gains attack to the original of all other entities on the field. Oh my god. Oh wow, and then negate the effect of all monsters on the field. You can declare an attack with other monsters. Of course not. Wow. Jeez. I'm gonna just try to it's all negated and oh, if I would have waited. Does he have a deck? He does have a deck. So 391. 391. Okay. Check the rank. Where was I? I was at 1120, 1102. God damn it. 391. 391. Let's check the deck. Oh, it's a clean 40. Here we go. And the triple fog blade. Wow, look at all these. Triple Lancia. Got some Sky Striker sides. We're at 257. Still at 257. Comment, share, like if you sub it for like. See you guys.